instead of using snips to make all these cuts. There's a lot of repetitious cuts. Now the reality is, we're indoors, so we wouldn't normally be able to use a chop saw because of all the sparks, but SKILSAW has a carbide bladed chop saw that uses the Diablo. It's a 12-inch Steel Demon, the Cermet-Tipped Carbide Blade. So it's going to run slower, and because it's got carbide teeth, it's not going to make those sparks. At least I don't think it will. You can look. This is product number SPT62 MTC22. It says lightest weight 12-inch cutoff saw, stays productive. We got large cutting capacity, stays versatile. I don't know what that means, but okay. Powered by a 15 amp high horsepower motor for big cuts, stays true. Multi housing, die cast guards, and base, powerful, performance solid construction coupled with high power motor. Here's the problem.
It's all just talk.
Well, this is the deal. Wouldn't you rather see it in action? This is really nice sized. This is the good part about having a carbide cut off. The thing is, look at this. Your scale here. You needed to make miters. Pretty cool. Nice and tight. Toy. Yo, look at this. We got our night eyes. Shock force. What do we say? 22 tight? We'll go 19 3/4. Let's see. Ready? Got a little. Oh, look at this. We got a little thumb safety here. Slide this over. Sounds like it means business. You ready? Now you don't have to worry about sparks from the job.
How did it feel cutting through it?
Perfect. Just grabbing that leg. We'll tell you, this clamp really works nice. I'll tell you something else. I would never even consider using a chop saw indoors, like this, in occupied space. If it was a non-occupied, that's a different story. But I wouldn't consider it normally. But this, no sparks. It actually looks like it captures the metal shavings back here in a tray. That's pretty cool.
Same thing, 19 3/4.
Yeah, perfect. I'll tell you, this is like the nicest chop saw I think I've ever used in my entire career.
What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
This is a 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Rookie score.
I have no complaints. Clamp's unreal. This would really shine, like if we had a bundle to do, which we have to build an outer wall next. You might as well, you could just cut an entire bundle of studs. These are just little pieces in for this soffit. I tell you, you're paying more, but you're getting a more versatile saw. You can use this more comfortably indoors, in finished space, not have to worry about crazy amounts of sparks. We are only cutting track and stud today, but it can cut lots of other things as well, metal-wise. It's really a great addition. It's going to make us much more productive. I'm excited to have it. The Diablo Cermet technology on the blade's unreal too. How he's looking. Finish the drywall on the walls. drywall on the walls. We framed in the ceiling. Michael here is putting some insulation up for soundproofing, unfaced R11. Then we're going to, on the ceiling, we're going to be putting OSB and then drywall, because the different materials absorb sound in different ways. We don't want the sound traveling up and over. Now, on the other side, we're going to be building out with 1 5/8" track and stud. We're going to be building out 1 inch away from the existing wall that's here now. We're going to be putting all insulation in between those cavities as well, and then drywalling that. This way, there'll be minimal. There will be certain areas where our return is here, okay, to the door frame around this door. There will be certain areas where the two walls, they're going to touch. Just is what it is. But for the most part, the walls will not be touching in any way. They will be touching right at the bottom plate and at the top plate. But that's why we use acoustical sealing when attaching the plates. And if you like having acoustical sealing when attaching your plates, smash the like button. Also, let us know down below, what do you think of that dry cut SKILSAW? Do you like it? Do you think it's worth the extra money? I sure do, because we could use it in more places. Leave it down in the comment section below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.